Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach chapter 19, tangent properties of a circle. Okay. Earlier we had done angle properties of a circle. We have to remember all the properties of the angle properties of the circle. Now 2 or 3 properties I am telling here, that also we have to remember. First one is, if this is a circle, this is a radius, this is known as tangent. First property is, radius is perpendicular to tangent. What is tangent? Tangent is the line joining one and only one point is known as tangent. So here radius is perpendicular to tangent. Second case, when the two circles, they will touch externally, then it will be the tangent. Okay, this is OA, radius is perpendicular to tangent. O dash, this is OA is 90 degree, O dash A also 90 degree, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Third point, when the two circles, they will touch internally, then you see that I can write OT is a tangent. I'll write OA is equal to OT, OB is equal to OT. Now OT is common, hence OA equal to OB. Why I am writing this one? Because tangent drawn from an external point on the circle will be equal. Therefore, I am writing OA is equal to OT, OB is equal to OT. Hence, from that relation we are getting OA equal to OB. How the tangents are equal, that one I will do the proof. See children, theorem 3. If two tangents are drawn to a circle from the external point, then first bit, tangents are equal in length, tangent subtends equal angle at the center, tangents are equally inclined, the angle joining the point and the center of the circle. That means this is a circle, this is the external point, now it is giving we have to first case prove PA is equal to PB. Those are tangents. Second bit, we have to write POB is equal to POA. APO is equal to BP. When we are doing the deduction, children, we have to write the given, we have to write the to prove. This is to prove Now proof part. In AOP and BOP triangle, I'll write in AOP and BOP triangle, I can write, children, OB equal to OA, radii of the circle. Okay. Now I'll write OBP is equal to OAP 90 degree, because radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, I am writing this is 90 degree. Third bit, OP equal to OP, common. Therefore, triangles are congruent. Why? Side, angle, side. As this triangle is congruent to this triangle, I can write AP is equal to BP, CPCT. Then I can write POB is equal to POA, CPCT. BPO is equal to APO. Therefore, we can write this one. Okay. Hence, we can write, we have to remember the things. PB is equal to PA. Why? Because tangent drawn from an external point on the circle will be equal. That property only we have to remember. No need to prove it. Only remember the property. Now we'll start numericals. Now children, I am doing question number 1. Find the length of the tangent drawn to a circle of radius 8 centimeter. Radius is 8. From a point which is at a distance 10 centimeter from the center of a circle. This is 10 centimeter. Now I'll write OA is perpendicular to AB because radius is perpendicular to tangent. This is the tangent, this is the radius. Therefore, I am writing radius is perpendicular to tangent. Hence, by Pythagoras theorem, I am getting hypotenuse, I am getting perpendicular. I have to find out the base. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of 10 square minus 8 square, that is 100 minus 64, which is equal to 36 centimeter. So therefore, AB length or the length of the tangent is 6 centimeter. You will do. Okay. Now children, question number 2 also it is same type. That's why I am leaving that. Question number. Now I am doing question number 7. It is giving two circles of radii 18 centimeter and 8 centimeter touch externally. This is 18 radius. This is 8. Join it. Okay. Then it is giving find the length of the direct tangent to a circle. This is the direct tangent. This is O dash. This is AB is the tangent, direct tangent. We have to take, now see children, I can write O dash BA is 90 degree, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Now radius is perpendicular to tangent. You take the construction, this one is 90 degree. Therefore, this is also 90 degree. Okay. Now say that in this rectangle, I can write 360 BO dash M is equal to 360 minus 90 degree plus 90 plus 90. It is 90 degree. Therefore, it is a rectangle. Clear? Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. By construction, you are writing this is perpendicular to AO. Hence, this will be O dash BA is equal to 360 minus, because sum of the angle of the rectangle is 360. Hence, I am writing 360 minus 90 plus 90, you are getting 90 degree. Hence, it is a rectangle. Therefore, I can write AB is equal to O dash M. Now, children, you see that this is 8 O dash as a rectangle. Opposite sides of the rectangle is equal. Hence, I'll write AM is equal to 8. Now, OM is equal to 18 minus 8, which is equal to 10. So, I got this is 10. This will be 8. Now, what is OO dash? OO dash is, this length is 8. This is 18. Therefore, 8 plus 18, 26 centimeter. You got, this is 26. OM, you got 10. Hence, what is O dash M? O dash M is 26 square minus 10 square. You are applying Pythagoras theorem. 676 minus 100, that is 576, 24 centimeter. Now see children, O dash M we got 24. As we have done, it is a rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides is equal. Therefore, I will write AB equal to O dash M is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay. So, this type of questions is very, very important for the exams. Question number 8, 9, those are same type of question. I am leaving that one, you will do it. Now I am doing question number 12. This question maximum time it is coming in the board exam. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle. PQ equal to 3 centimeter. Then QR 4 centimeter. We have to find out the radius, a circle which touches all the sides of the triangle inscribed in a, we have to find out the radius. Now see children, what I should write, first I will find out PR. PR is equal to, I am applying the, it is right angle triangle, therefore I am applying the Pythagoras theorem. 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 9 plus 16 square root of 25, which is 5 centimeter. You got this is 5 centimeter. Now let I am giving the naming M and W. PM, I'll take first radius is OM is radius. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. I'll write OM is OM perpendicular to PQ, implies that OMQ is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, I can write OWQ is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. Therefore, MON is 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus this is 90 degree. Now as it is equal, therefore I can say that it is a square. So the all sides will be equal. I am writing that OM is equal to OW is equal to QW is equal to MQ is equal to R. So I'll write PM is equal to 3 minus R. PM is equal to 3 minus R and RW is equal to 4 minus R. Because you see that this is 4, this is we are getting R, hence this is 4 minus R. I'll write PM is equal to PN 3 minus R. We can write the property tangent drawn from an external point on the circle will be equal on them. Next I'll write RW is equal to Rn is equal to 4 minus R. Now children, PR is equal to, I can write PN plus Rn. I'll write PR value is 5. What is PN value? 3 minus R plus 4 minus R. I'll bring the R this side, minus 2R is coming, hence 2R is equal to 7 minus 5, 2, R is equal to 1. Hence radius is 1. So today I am solving this much. Next question I'll solve in next video. Okay. Thank you.